quality surprises can sink your brand. At Osports, we believe real control happens long before inspection. Step 1. We lock in perfection with you. We turn your sample and needs into a digital spec sheet, signed and sealed. Step 2. We align every detail with suppliers and sign a binding quality agreement. No room for ambiguity. Step 3. Upon arrival, we conduct incoming checks against the sealed sample and spec, gatekeeping before storage. Step 4. Before shipping, we verify order accuracy, ensure secure packaging, and apply labels, your final safety net. Step 5. The feedback loop. We track post-sale data, analyze root causes, and refine our standards, turning every insight into proactive prevention for future orders. This is the Osports Active Quality Control System. From collaborative standard setting to data-driven prevention, we build quality in so you can trust every shipment. Ready to simplify your supply chain? We are Osports, your bridge to China. Contact us today.